Alright folks, so this week I have a little dent just on a fender here. It's just about to, well, I always call it a wing, just about to go into the paint shop and you notice a dent in it there. So what we're going to do is try and metal finish it. I have a bit of access in behind it. It's off a Model 3 Tesla. So we have a little bit of access in here even though it's double paneled. So what we're going to try and do is metal finish it. So bear with me there, let's get the camera set up. What I'm going to do is just stand there with a DA first, just to highlight the low spot, and then I'll show you what I use to get that dent out. So let's start. Let's have a bit of 80 on the DA. Right, there we go. You can visually see it now. I'll just give it a little sand with the file. Here's the body file. You can buy these online, Amazon have them. And then I use a Sykes Pigavant blade. Find it kind of lasts the longest. Give it a nice little file. Also, people ask me what grade file it is because you can get it in different grades. This is a fine grade file, so it's now dolly, flip. Obviously you can get these anywhere. These you can get them online as well. I have this years, but I'll try and put a link in the description where you can get them. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this high point of this dolly right on the back side of this, and I'm going to push it out towards me and slap down to get it out. So let me get comfortable here. Okay, trying to locate it. That's not it. Too tinny. You want to hear a solid sound. There you go. Now, I'm pushing it out towards me. I'm going to hammer down. Okay. Give it a little foil. See, you still have a little low there, so we'll focus on that area now. And if you look carefully, there's little grooves on this. So when you're hammering down on that, you'll see the grooves come into the panel. So you'll be able to see where your dolly is behind it. See what I mean? So it's kind of easier for you to locate. I'll just give that another little file now. Okay, we got this out. This is feeling nice. I'm just noticing there's another little bit of damage here. Try and get up there, which is going to be tricky because look, it is right up. Let me show you. It's going to be tricky because this other dent is up under here. So what I'm going to try and do is probably get a little screwdriver or something up there just to try and pry it out a little bit. Let me see. Still a little bit there. Getting there. So all I'll do is getting this in behind it, just pushing it out a little bit. Finding more damage as we're going along. Thought it was just one ding. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm just getting my air sander. You see now, I'm just going to give it a quick sand just to get any heavy marks out of it. And then we'll just buzz over it with the DA. Just nice and easy. A bit of 80 on this. And then I'll move up to 180. If anyone's wondering what I'm talking about, it's just the grade of sandpaper I'm using. Now, let me just clean that off. Now, I have some wax and grease remover here. What I'll do is, just going to spray it on the panel and show you what it looks like. So we had a dent here. The more I filed, I noticed there's a bit more dent just up here, beside near the body line. Now let me spray this. This will show you any imperfections. There you go. I think we are good to go. There's no dent in there now. We are nice. Like glass. So listen, I hope this helped a few of you. Let me show you the tools I used. Here they are here. Just your foil, dolly, flip. I use this lever bar just to pry out them other little areas. That's a dual action sander, but I just use it for sanding, just to get any heavy marks out of it. That's my Milwaukee DA then, just to finish it off nicely. Your foil here, if anyone's ever used one, you can twist this bar here and it's going to make this flat foil. It's going to make a curve in one direction. Twist it the other way, it's going to curve the other direction. Great tool to have. But anyway, there's some metal finishing. Hopefully it helps you. And if any of you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick video. I'll have another video out now in the next few days. A nice repair in the next 3, so stay tuned. Thanks everyone.